What is Twelvestone? Twelvestone was founded for the purpose of buying cash-flowing assets in emerging markets. Apartment buildings and self-storage facilities are our primary targets right now. The synergy we create in each deal allows our investors to achieve the same buying power that's usually only reserved for larger institutions. I know that you'll be interested in seeing some of our deals, but before I can show you any specific offerings, you'll need to return an investor interest form. Right now is exactly the right time to be buying cash-flowing real estate. We are targeting apartment buildings in good areas because of the perfect storm that is upon us. And here are the reasons why. As the foreclosure crisis continues, it drives more and more people into rental housing for the foreseeable future. In addition, 82 million Americans will turn 18 over the next few years. That's our largest generation ever. And they'll all be looking for apartments to rent. Because of the restricted capital markets, very few new apartments are being built. So as demand increases and supply stagnates, rents will rise nearly as fast as our buildings will appreciate. For nearly the same reasons, we're also buying self-storage facilities. Self-storage is just like owning apartments, except there are no tenants. The overall picture is this. The U.S. real estate market is on clearance sale. Interest rates are at an all-time low. There are many financially distressed sellers out there, and inflation is imminent. It's happened since the beginning of time. As our economy begins to find its sea legs again, this will be the greatest buying opportunity that we may see in a lifetime. In general, we have the perfect storm. Low prices, motivated sellers, low interest rates, and an exploding demand for multifamily housing. So what are we buying? We like buildings with 50 units or more. We buy B and C class assets in the path of progress. We like good properties in great areas that are primed for a much better upside. Most of the properties we go after have some kind of value-add component to them. For our portfolio, we're buying deals that meet our conservative criteria. We look for an 18 to 25% annualized return or better. We look for some kind of value-add component to our buildings, and we're always buying with a 5 to 7 year holding strategy. Because of our acquisition strategy, our partners receive immediate cash flow, equity appreciation, and tax advantages. We locate the properties and do our due diligence. We package the property for your review. You decide if it's a good fit. We collect the funds and close. You get a quarterly cash distribution and quarterly report. You get a K-1 each year loaded with tax benefits, and you get your share of the profits when we sell. Obviously, you're interested in seeing some of the deals we have available. Make sure you download and fill in the interest form and get it back to me. There's no obligation for filling this out. After we have your interest form, then I'll be able to share with you the specifics of each new opportunity that becomes available. If you're looking for a more secure method for asset preservation, a higher rate of return than you can typically find elsewhere, and a huge growth opportunity, then you've found the right team, and I look forward to expanding our financial future together. Download it now and get started on your path to financial freedom.